Union-based SQL injection is a powerful technique that allows attackers to manipulate a database by exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications. Essentially, it takes advantage of poorly constructed SQL queries. When a web application uses user input to build SQL statements without proper validation or sanitization, it opens the door for an attacker to inject malicious SQL code. Let's break down how it works. Imagine a web application that displays user data based on a query like this. Select name, email from users where ID is user input. If an attacker inputs a value like one union select username, password from admin, the database might execute this combined query. The result? The attacker could gain access to sensitive information, such as usernames and passwords from the admin table. This is a classic example of how union-based SQL injection can expose critical data. Now, how do you exploit it? First, you need to identify a vulnerable input field. This could be a search box, a login form, or any other place where user input is processed. By injecting a union statement, you can combine the results of the original query with data from other tables. The key is to know the structure of the database and number of columns in the original query. Tools like SQL Map can automate this process, making it easier to find vulnerabilities and extract data. But exploiting SQL injection isn't just about the thrill of breaking in. It's also about understanding the consequences. Organizations can suffer massive data breaches, leading to financial loss, reputational damage, and legal repercussions. That's why remediation is crucial. To protect against union-based SQL injection, developers should implement several best practices. First, always use prepared statements or parameterized queries.